Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to mute notification in Gmail. So get started. At first open your Chrome browser. Now you can see now mute notification in Gmail. Now going to the Gmail. Now click from Gmail. Now open the Gmail. Now you can see then it show new interface and this mute notification. Now click from active option. Now click from do not disturb. Now choose from 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours and 4 hours and 8 hours and 24 hours and until and specific time. Now choose from in time. Now choose from 2 hours. That's it. Now we close the unmute and click from automatic. That's it. Now you can see mute notification in Gmail is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.